Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove chlorophyll from a leaf without alcohol. We'll explore simple, effective methods that don't require harsh chemicals. You'll learn how to prepare leaves for observation, revealing their intricate structures and other hidden pigments. This guide focuses on safe, accessible techniques for your experiments, ensuring clear results every time. One effective method involves hot water immersion. Carefully place your leaves into boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the green chlorophyll starting to leach out into the water. This process helps break down the cell walls, making the chlorophyll more accessible for removal. Afterward, gently rinse the leaves under cool water. Another natural approach is using sunlight exposure, also known as photo-bleaching. Place your leaves in a shallow dish of water and expose them to direct sunlight for several days. Covering the dish with clear plastic can help maintain humidity and prevent the leaves from drying out. Over time, the sun's energy will naturally degrade the chlorophyll. Once the chlorophyll is removed, you can clearly see the leaf's intricate venation and any other underlying pigments, like yellows or oranges. These decolorized leaves can be pressed and preserved for further study or display. Comparing them to untreated leaves provides a striking visual contrast, highlighting the effectiveness of these simple, non-alcohol methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.